Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to adjust annotative scale of dimensions or text in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, select the text and/or dimensions that you want to adjust. Then, convert the selected text or dimensions to annotative. After that, go to the bottom right corner of the screen. Over here, enable annotation visibility. Then, enable auto scale. After that, enable annotation scale. Over here, select the text or dimension again. Then, locate the scale adjustment tool at the bottom. After that, adjust the scale until the text or dimensions are visible and clear. Over here, continue adjusting the scale as needed until you reach the desired size and readability. Then, verify that the annotative scale has been adjusted correctly and that the text or dimensions are clear in the drawing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next. Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to add a dimension line without text in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, go to the Annotate tab in AutoCAD and select the Dimension tool from the ribbon. Then, click the starting point of the dimension line. Over here, choose the endpoint and place the dimension line on your drawing. After that, double-click the dimension line you created to open the text editor box. Then, select the dimension text by dragging over it with your mouse. Over here, press the Delete key to remove the text completely. After that, ensure the text field is empty before closing the editor. Then, for a permanent solution, type D in the command line and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. After that, select your dimension style and click Modify. Then, go to the Text tab and locate the text height option. Over here, set the text height to a very small value like 0.01 so it becomes invisible. After that, click Apply and close the settings window. Then, use either method depending on your need, manual removal or style modification. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.